Very good morning to all. I am from Sophia Convent School, GT Road, Murthal, Sonipat. Today I am here to explain you about chemical reactions and chemical changes. So what are chemical changes? Chemical changes are those changes in which the product show the new properties different from the reactant. Basically, two or more reactants combine together to form a product. Today we are going to perform an activity based on the chemical changes. The burning of magnesium ribbon, which is our class 10th activity. In this we can see the magnesium ribbon is get converted into magnesium oxide. Okay, so for this activity what we need, the material we required is, very first we need a magnesium ribbon. So you can get magnesium ribbon in your school labs. So this is the form how magnesium ribbon is present in school labs. And we need a sandpaper to clear magnesium ribbon. Now there is a question why it is required to clean magnesium ribbon before performing an activity or before proceeding with the reaction. So it is very important to clean this ribbon with the help of the sandpaper, because some metals are very reactive in environment. So they get react with the oxygen, carbon dioxide or the other environmental gases. So same procedure is done with the magnesium also. Magnesium get react with the oxygen and the carbon and form the magnesium carbonate layer over the magnesium ribbon. So it is necessary to remove that particular layer from the ribbon so that we can burn it easily. So from this roll we can break whatever length we want to perform this activity. We want approximately 6 to 8 centimeters of the ribbon. So we break it. Now what we have to do, second step, we have to clean this ribbon with the help of this sandpaper. Okay, so we have to rub this ribbon over a sandpaper like this. Okay, so we have to rub the complete ribbon so that whole ribbon can get cleaned. The layer of magnesium carbonate get removed from the magnesium ribbon. Now our ribbon is clean. When magnesium ribbon is burned, it produces a very huge amount of a heat. That's why it is also known as exothermic reaction. Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which they produces a large amount of a heat with the product. Okay, so what we have to do, we are having tongs with us. Be very careful while performing this activity. Do not hold the ribbon with your hands. It can burn your hands and cause very severe burn to the hands. So we put this ribbon into the tongs and we hold the tongs tightly and properly. Now take the ribbon near to the flame. So as you see, within a seconds it will start burning. Okay, so you can easily able to see what is happening here. A large amount of heat is produced. So that's why it is known as exothermic reaction. Heat and light both are produced over here. So handle it very carefully. If you are not handle the ribbon carefully, it may cause severe damages to our health. Now you can able to see the ribbon is get converted into the ash, and this ash, white color powdered ash, is known as the magnesium oxide, MgO, which is represented as MgO. So what we observe from this activity, we concluded that when magnesium in the presence of oxygen is heated, it is get converted into the magnesium oxide, which is a chemical change. Two reactants combine together to form a different product, which will show the different properties as compared to the reactant. So I hope you all can able to understand what will happen while burning the magnesium ribbon. This is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.